Hi everybody, I am Puan Kho Samui from SMJK Sanmin. Today we are going to revise chapter 10, Index Number. Firstly, let us see what we have learned. For this chapter, we have two parts, 10.1 and 10.2. So 10.1.2, determine and interpret index number. And last one is a solving problem. And for the second part, we have determine and interpret the composite index and solve problem. Today, we are going to focus on this. Solve problems involving index number and composite index. Here is a summary of chapter 10. So for the first part, index number, the formula for index number is I equal to Q1 over Q0 times 100. Sometimes your teachers might use alphabet P. For index number. It is okay, either it is P or Q. P normally we use it because it stands for price. Q is for quantity. But no matter whether you are using P or Q, both are okay. And then for the second part, index number, we have the formula I bar equal to summation of IW over summation of W. What is W? Still remember or not? Yeah, that is weightage. Sometimes the weightage, it might give you in the pie chart form. Okay, or in percentage, or in numbers. Yeah, okay. Then here I have a special one. I'm sure that everybody have learned this smiling face method. So let's say we have 3 years involved. 2015, 2016, 2020. Let's say the I for 2016 based on 2015 is 110. And I 20 over 16 equal to 105. Then if we need to find the I for 20 over 15, it will be equal to 110 times 105 over 100. This is the way that you can use to find the price index or composite index. Yeah, this is what we call smiling face method. But this formula is not given. Yeah, it's not given. So you can see here the list of formula given in KSSM. There are only 24 formulas. Is there any formula for index number? Any formula or not? Yeah, none. No formula for index number. This means you have to memorize this formula and this formula. You have to memorize, yeah? Okay, now we look at example here. I'm going to show you how are we going to solve this question. Read the question carefully. The table shows the prices and price indices of 4 ingredients S, T, U, and V used in preparing nasi lemak ayam. We have 4 ingredients, yeah? So now, below the table here, we have some information, yeah? So, the percentages of expenses of the ingredients S, T, U, and V are 20%, 16%, 52%, and 12%. What are these? Yeah, this is the weightage. So it is good that you fill up here, you add one column for weightage, and then you fill out the value 20, 16, 52, and 12. Now, we are going to answer part A. Normally for part A, this is the formula that we are going to use. Yeah. So look at first line for S. S here. What is the price index? P, right? And then the price in 2018 is 0.25. The price in 2016 is 0.20. So we times 100. Okay. So what is the P? 1, 2, 5. Yeah. So this one equal to 1, 2, 5. Then we go to T. Ingredient T. So 110 will be equal to Q over 0.90 times 100. So what is the Q? 110 times 0.90 over 100. Therefore, Q will be equal to 0.99. Please make sure that you write this answer in 2 decimal places because it is the price of the ingredient. Last one, we go to V. 120 equal to 0.60 over R times 100. So R will be equal to 0.60 times 100 over 120. Therefore, R is 0.50. This one should be written in 2 decimal places also because it is a price. Okay, so the next, we go to part B. Okay, part B, calculate the composite index for the cost of preparing the nasi lemak ayam in the year 2018 based on the year 2016. So, you can see here, the word is there, composite index. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Yeah, we are going to use this formula. But firstly, we must find out what is the summation of IW and what is the summation of W. So we have to add 2 columns. One for W, one for IW. Okay, so take out your calculator and we are going to calculate. Okay, do remember that the P here is equal to 125. So 125 times 20, 2500. 110 times 16 equal to 1760. And for you, 150 times 52 is equal to 7800. And V, 120 times 12 equal to 1440. So you need to add up to get the summation of IW. Total is 13500. So for this one, we are going to calculate the composite index for the year 2018 based on 2016. So what is the summation of IW? Here. So 13500 divided by summation of W, which is equal to 100. So composite index of 2018 based on 2016 will be equal to 135. Okay. Okay, done. Then now we are going to see. Before that, please take note the answer for B. What is the answer for B? Can you see that? This is the answer for B. Okay, you need to refer to this answer because later you are going to use it. So now we read the part C. If the cost of preparing a packet of nasi lemak ayam in the year 2016 is 5 ringgit, calculate the corresponding price in the year 2018. So we need to extract the information there, which is the price of nasi lemak for 2016 is 5 ringgit. And then you need to find the price in 2018. Okay, for this one, because it is nasi lemak, right? Nasi lemak is a product, so we use I bar. I bar 18 over 16. Why is it 18 over 16? Because the year here, 18 and 16. So we need to use composite index of 2018 based on 2016, which we have it here in part B. That's why I said it is important. So I bar 1816 equal to P18 over P16 times 100. So the I bar here is 135 P18 over 5 times 100. So P18 will be equal to 135 times 5 over 100. So take out your calculator and press your calculator. What is the price of 2018? Yes, Rn 6.75. So the price of nasi lemak ayam in 2018 is 6 ringgit and 75 cents. Okay, so now going to part D. Okay, read part D here. What is needed, what is given. The first sentence mentioned the cost of all the ingredients used. So for this one, it is I bar. It is telling you I bar because the word all is there. Yeah, all is there. So we are going to write I bar. In preparing the nasi lemak ayam increases by 25% from the year 2018 to the year 2020, increased 25%. So what does this mean? This is I bar 20 over 18 equal to 125. Okay. Then we are going to use different method to solve this. Firstly, I'm going to show you how we use the smiling face method. So what we have, we must see what we have now. So in part B, remember or not part B? Part B, what we have is I bar 2018 over 2016 equal to 135. And then what is given in part D is I bar 2020 over 2018 is equal to 125. Okay, so you can see here the years here. There are 3 years involved. So we need to prepare 3 circles for this year. Okay, 2018 over 2016 is 135. 2020 over 2018 is 125. So this is what we need to find? I bar 20 over 16. Is it what we need to find? Composite index in the year 2020 based on 2016. Yeah. So 135 times 125 over 100. So I bar for 2020 based on 2016 is equal to 168.75. Okay, this is smiling method. Then next, I'm going to show you another method. Okay, which is we are going to use the ratio. Okay, same thing. I bar 18 over 16 is 135. So this one is P18 over P16 times 100 equal to 135, right? Because we may use the first formula to write this. So the ratio of P18 over P16 is 1350 over 100. Okay, so the next information is I bar 20 over 18, which is equal to 125. So P20, P18 times 100 equal to 125. Yeah, 125. So P20 over P18 is equal to 125 over 100. Okay, so what are we going to find? Remember, so it is I bar 20 over 16. So it will be P20 over P16 times 100, right? But when you check all your information here, any information here, do you have P20 over P16? We don't have, right? So we need to split it. P20 over P16, we split it times 100. Okay, now you check the information that you have here and here. What is the year that is not involved yet? Yes, P18. So we put in the P18. So what is P20 over P18? It is 125 and 100 times P18 over P16. P18 over P16. 135 over 100 times 100. So here and here can be cancelled. So after that, press your calculator. Then you will have your answer 168.75. Yeah. Okay. So you may check here your answer. Either you are using smiling method or you are using the ratio method. Both also will give you the same answer. Okay. So I hope that all I have taught now can benefit you, can help you to revise what you have learned. Yeah. Okay, lastly, I would like to make some reminder here. First, reminder for your answer. This one, please correct your answer. Two decimal places. Okay, especially price, because price is in ringgit, right? Ringgit Malaysia. So have you ever seen any price stated in supermarket or in any place written the price with 1 decimal places, 3 decimal places? Is there any? No, right? So means that you have always state your answer in 2 decimal places, especially for price. Yeah. And then second one, you must substitute your value or the values given. Okay, the values given accordingly. According to what? According to the formula. Just substitute it as what you need to fill in the formula. Okay. Then lastly, please read the question. Again, after you have done. Okay, after done. Why? Because you need to check either you have really answered. Make sure that you have answer or is needed. Okay, please make sure that you have answer or is needed. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.